Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video we are going to be doing an empties video. My bag is overflowing, so if you guys want to see all the products I used up and hear my thoughts on everything, then keep watching. One, if I don't seem like myself, it is because I've been having this like nasty cold and I just don't feel like myself, but I have to film, so yeah. And two, I'm just gonna go through the products really quickly and say if I would repurchase it again, because I have a lot of stuff and I don't want this video to be too long. First product is the Skin to You Me, Myself, and Micellar Water Makeup Remover and Setting Spray. I really love this as a setting spray. As a makeup remover, micellar water, it was terrible. Doesn't remove any of your makeup. I did a whole review on Skin to You. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave it linked down below. I'll have probably a section of videos I mentioned, and then you scroll down a little bit, and then all the products that I mentioned. So yeah, didn't like this, would not repurchase. Next up, we have these Equate Beauty Original Clean Wet Wipes, and they're compared to the Pond's original wet wipes, and these are paraben free with vitamin E. These you can get at Walmart. I've repurchased these so many times. I always get the 2-pack just because I always use them, and I always keep them up here and by my vanity because I use them for fallout, to clean up eyeshadow, to clean my hands. Like, I literally use them for everything. They're great and they're so affordable. I honestly think the 2-pack is like $4, and then one pack alone is like $1 or $2, like super cheap. Highly recommend. You do get 60 in a pack, so you do get a lot, and I love them. Next up, I have March, April, and May's FACETORY bags. So basically, long story short, I'll link all the videos down below. I liked all of the masks except this cucumber one. This one I did not like, and this was from my most recent unbagging, which was, or my most recent review, which was May. So I did not like this one, but every other mask I liked. I'll have the videos down below and all the masks down below as well, just because sitting here reviewing 12 masks, we will be here literally all day, so just go watch the videos if you're interested. Next up is this Masquerade Detox Diva mask. We got this in our Yes Oh Yes. I'll leave the video down below where I got it. I don't remember which month it was, but I know it was Yes Oh Yes. I did not like this. I really like Masquerade masks too, and this was just not good. I hated it. It was that bad of a mask. I just did not like it at all. Would not recommend this one. Next up, we have this polish from Dossie. We got this in the Yes Oh Yes as well, and I was super excited for this because it is a body scrub from Dossie. I think that's how you say the brand. This I did not like either. It smelled horribly. It was really messy, and it just like stayed on your body too. Like, you could rinse your body off really good. You could think you rinsed your body off really good, and you'll still find the little like dead sea salt and activated charcoal and coffee just like in crevices you didn't even know existed on your body. So I did not like this. There are better exfoliators out there. Next up, we have this Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm from Vanilla Co. I really loved this cleansing balm. It's really good. It's honestly amazing. I literally use up every last bit of it. It really just melts off all your makeup. It's so good. I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. I think it was like about $20, but it works so well. Next up, we have the Oribe Gold Blush Dry Shampoo. We got this in a FabFitFun, and I did like it. It was, you know, it did the job. I would not repurchase it. It was super pricey. I think it was like $43, something crazy like that, which I would never spend that much on a dry shampoo, but I mean, it did the job. I just would not repurchase it. Next up is this Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Leave-In Treatment. I had this product forever. I got it in an Influenster VOXBOX. I got a ton of Shea Moisture products, and this and one other thing I still have, because a little goes a long way with these products, and these are 3.3 fluid ounces, and it's just like, I was so excited to finally use it all up because, like I said, a little goes a long way with it, and it's just like I was using it every time I did my hair or washed my hair and I needed to put this in, but I really did like it. That's the thing. It was a really, really good product. It helps detangle. My hair felt just really healthy and soft, so that is a plus side, but it just lasted so long. Next, we have the Dickinson's Enhanced Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner with Rose Water. This was the first toner I ever tried, actually, because I just never thought I would need a toner, or I should use a toner. And I saw a huge difference in my skin, so you should use a toner. Don't be like me. Use a toner, because they actually do make a difference. I really did enjoy this one. I bought the Neutrogena one because I couldn't find this one, I guess at Walmart, probably, because that's the only place I shop at. And I couldn't find this one there, but I do like this one better than the Neutrogena one, I have to say. But yeah, this was really, really good. Definitely recommend this if you need something to moisturize the skin. Because my skin was really dry and this just gave it that little like pep. You know what I mean? It was really, really good. I really did like it. Next up, we have this Nature Box Body Wash in Coconut Oil. I got this little sample from Sample Source and I really did like it. It smells so, so good. It is good for hydrating the skin, and I did notice that my skin felt very hydrated and nice after I used it. I definitely want to pick this up again, but I just can't find Nature Box brand anywhere. So if you guys know where Nature Box is sold, please let me know in the comments down below, because I have a coupon for Nature Box items that I got along with this. So tell me where they're sold so I can go buy this, because I really liked it. Next up, we have the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. This product is the best for winter. If you need a good moisturizing cleanser, this is it, along with the toner, the Dickinson's toner that I mentioned. Those two are going, like, if you have really dry skin in the winter, those two are your best friend. I highly recommend this and the toner together, because my skin was so dry and just tight feeling for a while in the winter, and then I started using this and the toner, and I saw a huge difference within a couple of days. Like, it was crazy. Highly recommend this. It's so, 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 so good. I got it on Amazon. It'll be links down below, obviously. Next up, we have the Not Your Mother's Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water Sea Minerals Shampoo. I didn't really love this. I feel like it made my hair too, like, heavy feeling, if that makes any sense. I wasn't the biggest fan of it. They have a yellow one. I liked that one better. It's something with like honey or something like that. That one was better. It smells nice, but I just wasn't the biggest fan of this one. Next, we have the Reboost Hydrating Mattifying Cream from MyClarins. I liked this cream. It was really, really nice. I wouldn't repurchase it just because it is mattifying. They do have another one, which I'll mention in a second. But I did do a whole review on the MyClarins brand, so it'll be linked down below if you guys are interested in hearing all my thoughts on the products, because there's some products I haven't finished from this MyClarins VOXBOX that I got. Next up is the Reboost Hydrating Refreshing Cream from MyClarins. So if I was to repurchase something from the MyClarins, it was this cream, because this one just gave a nicer look to the skin. It was more of like a dewy kind of look. The other one, like I said, was just really mattifying. I would definitely repurchase this. I really liked that it was a lightweight moisturizer, and it just felt really, really nice on the skin. Next, we have the e.l.f. Daily Brush Cleaner. So I really do like this e.l.f. Daily Brush Cleaner. It's super affordable. I think it's like under $5 at CVS. That's where I got mine. It lasted such a long time. I think I had this for almost like 6 months. I thought I was going to use it up really quickly, but a little goes a long way. It looks like you're using more than you really are, if that makes any sense, but I really like this. My brushes always felt nice and clean, which was always a good sign. Obviously, this isn't a deep cleaning product. It's just a spot cleaning type thing. So if you have something like this, obviously you still have to deep clean your brushes, which do I ever? No. Next up is the Remove Cleansing Gel from MyClarins. I liked this cleanser. It was really, really nice. I do think that there are better cleansers out there, so If I saw this in the store and was like, oh, I kind of want to use it again, then yeah, I'd repurchase it. But if this isn't something that I'm going to go run out to Ulta and go repurchase, if that makes any sense. It is a nice cleanser. I did like it. Next, we have this Remove Micellar Cleansing Milk, also from My Clarins. I didn't like this. I felt like it didn't remove my makeup at all. I do not recommend this. Would not repurchase. Next up is the L'Oreal Voluminous / Paradise in Mystic Black. I really liked the L'Oreal Voluminous / Paradise when it first came out, and then I just didn't like it anymore because I noticed it was flaking a lot. And I used it today just because I randomly saw it in my drawer and was like, let me use it. And it's pretty much empty. I don't really notice any flaking right now. Oh, there's some right there actually. But I mean, I think there's better mascaras out there, which really stinks because I really did like this, but it just started flaking so much. Next, we have the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and this is the original one. Honestly, this is probably one of my favorite primers. I know some people don't like it, but I really do. I think it's a really good primer if you use a little bit. A little goes a long way. I really do like it. I think it's a great primer. I've purchased it multiple times. Next up, we have this Makeup Revolution bronzer. This was in my project pan, and then I dropped it because I was really close to hitting pan. And then I dropped it again and like everything fell out. So I was like, okay, you know what? It's empty. But I really did love this bronzer. It was so nice and it was a perfect bronzer for the winter time. If I used it now, it would just be pretty much like putting a powder foundation on because of how tan I get in the summer. But I really loved this bronzer. It was so nice. I really want to repurchase another bronzer from Makeup Revolution because this one I can't really find on the website, which is kind of annoying because I did get this in the advent calendar, but I would definitely go repurchase a bronzer from Makeup Revolution because they're really nice bronzers. I really like it. And the last product is the Benefit Professional. This is a good little primer. I like it. I don't think I would really repurchase it though, just because I think it's a little expensive and I'd rather just get something from like NYX or Wet n Wild. I'm wearing a Wet n Wild primer today and I think it looks really nice on my skin. But this, I think it's just really overhyped. That's all. I would not repurchase it. I'm fine with getting little samples from Sephora here and there because that's what this is, and I'm honestly like totally content with that. And that is it for my empties. I hope this video isn't too long. I'm sorry if it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And if you have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you leave a comment and if you are following me on all my social media, you get a chance to get a shout out in my next video. So if you follow me on Twitter, you'll see retweet for a shout out, or if you're following me on Instagram, I'll post like a question in my caption, and then if you watch my stories, I'll say comment on that picture for a shout out. So make sure you're following me on there, and if you just leave a nice comment on my video or a video suggestion, that can help you get a shout out as well. And today's shout out is right here. Go check them out. Their info is down below. Thanks for participating to get in this week's shout out. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.